Good morning. I'm Cher Johnston, and today we're going to work on Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I'm not in my normal place because I put this, if you've seen other people's videos, this is really hard to show the whole thing. So there's my backing fabric, and I have this portion. This is my favorite fabric. I really had a lot of fun with this, and I had fun putting it on, and I'm thinking of doing a Tula pink quilt now. But anyway, I'm glad I did this because I laid it out on the backing and discovered that I didn't leave enough room at the top here. This is the top. This piece was going to be the very top. And I'm sorry about the lighting. It doesn't help much. But I'm about 3 inches short, so I might do something else. I might put this on the bottom. Yeah. So I have 2 prompts that I'm working on. This is a doily. This is my favorite doily. We have another doily prompt. And when I put it on the fabric just like that, I don't like that you can't see it as well. And I have a lot of pink in my Tula pink. So I'm thinking of doing this. And then I have this other, this is not a doily, but it's a handkerchief, and it has really pretty lace on it. So I'm thinking about doing something like that with that. Or I have this really large, this is like a table runner. And I know that there are people, a lot of the people, excuse me, are using table runners as like a backing instead of, like, I've been using quilt blocks. But I think this would be pretty, and then I could just put layer some stuff on here. Although, I don't really want it too thick. But then that brings us to the, this week's prompt is something that reminds you of your mother or your grandmother. And I just finished this. It's interesting. I've been working on this, and I'm working on 3 of them. This is the other one, or one of the other ones that I'm working on. And this, by the way, was inspired by Rachel Roxbury. If you go look at Whatever Wednesday, I think it's episode 22, 23. There were 3 different episodes where she did this with her I forget what she called them, Victorian ladies, or she had some fabric that's ladies that she did. And I have another one that I'm working on, or that I kind of started on. I picked out some threads. I took this piece and I did a little bit of thread painting. I don't like it. I have only 3 different colors, and I think I need 4 for one thing. And I realized that they don't have to actually match exactly. And the other thing that I realized is that I can put this on there, and then I can stitch from the back to like I could stitch this flower from the back and stitch this down like that with the thread painting. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, and I think it's going to take a while. So I think I'm going to post this video, and in my next video, hopefully you'll have some other progress, maybe a decision about, I'm thinking about taking this piece, because this piece is pretty big, doesn't fit there. I might put it underneath the Tula Pink. And if you like Tula Pink, I'm thinking of doing an entire Tula Pink quilt. That would be cool. Like this one that I'm doing, where it's not really a quilt. It's a quillo, but it's not really a quillo either. Anyways, so that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.